Assalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaahi wabarakaatu. Kusoo dhawaada channelkeyga. Maanta maxaa idin wadaa albaabo oo smart lock haystaan. Smartphone aa maqli jirtay laakiin hadda waxaa jirto smartphone, smart window, smart door ya. Wax walba smart ay noqdeen, ma fahamteen? Marka idinka yaabi doontiin maasha Allah maanta. La socod wanaagsan
I
he.
can open the double lock, you see?
Experience mode unlocked.
Okay. Face, fingerprint, password, and the doorbell. Okay. The key code. Okay.
CBM is 0.1, about yeah. And this not this
Sometimes we often open this door.
Voilà,
albaabkan oo kale waxaa lagu furaa fingerprint, fartaada ku furi kartaa, number sira ku fura kartaa, wajigaaga ku fura kartaa, camera leedahay oo face ka recognize gareyn karto. Siyaabo badan loo xiraa lokeeda waxa waay kor iyo hoos waxay ku leedahay lokyaal badan.
Stainless steel. The
It
fingerprint
also have a
design.
camera.
Camera, yeah.
Okay.
Also have big screen. This door has many locks.
Yes.
You can sliding.
You can see.
那个很贵，要便宜
Yeah,
的。
can see outside. Very special.
Wow.
You also can open the door. You see?
Yes.
2.25米。
Oh, very nice door.
类似这样的。
This one also can open too.
Okay, nice. Albaabadan waxaa waaye stainless steel waxaa waaye albaabada oo for example haddii oo materialka oo biyaha haduu gaaro isbedeleynin ciyoon waaye material adag waaye basically.
This one also is
Wow, that's so nice.
small lock. Many small lock.
Yes.
Double lock.
no need the import.
Camera.
Okay, nice. Can we see the
Washroom door.
washroom doors?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here is our wooden door.
Wooden doors.
Yeah. Many wooden door.
Yeah.
I think this one is next. Very beautiful.
Yes.
Beauty color.
This one has fingerprint as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
And the key. And the keyhole.
It's under.
Yeah.
这个可以，这个质量很好的，你看一下这个质量，这质量很好。
This one.
Oh, nice.
The password.
Quality, any price, 烧不很多的度，4.8 centimeter。
This is Armenian. Armenian.
Aluminium. Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Let's go to sliding doors.
Sliding door.
Yeah.
Here is sliding door.
And the mosquito net. Very nice.
Sir, you can take it. This one is very strong.
Yes.
Yeah, very strong.
What about windows?
Windows
Yeah.
here.
Waxaas derbiga ku dhegan waa sawiraan ee la galeen macaamiishooda marka maasha Allah xasuus ahaan ay meesha ugu dhegsadeen iyo inay dadka tusiyaan inay yihiin factory oo popular ah.
Security door. Yes, it's all
Okay.
aluminum.
Wow, this is very beautiful.
Yes, this came with the LED light.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very
And
nice.
all can fix the smart lock face camera.
Face camera.
Yes, password and fingerprint. And the inside also have a screen.
Okay.
You can see the outside very well.
Yes, I can see.
Yeah. Yes, can see the outside.
Wow,
And
that's
also
very
have a manual lock. Is it open? Is it closed? And also have the button. Automatically. Yeah,
automatic closing.
Yes, just one touch.
Wow. Very beautiful, fashionable, and
你等下加你微信吧。你的刚才没加到我，你加他来跟进，好不好？
And this are the window. It's double tempered glass.
yeah,
This profile.
yeah.
Summer broken aluminum. And I show you this. It's very good soundproof.
Yeah,
Yeah, very good soundproof.
soundproof.
Yeah, soundproof.
Wow.
And also can hot insulation
Okay.
and cold insulation. And then you can see here.
daaqadaana ani cajiib ila noqotay because shaqo badan ay yacni qabanaysaa kow music oo kaleeto ama codkoo kale oo banaanka ah way kaa block garaynaysaa labo qabowga iyo kuleelkana way kaa block garaynaysaa banaanka hadduu qabow ka jiro ama hadduu kuleel ka jiro makuu soo gudbaayo
My phone. This make cold. And before you see, it's already ice. Get ice.
wow.
Yeah, but this you see the inside is no ice.
Yes.
And wait a minute, you can feel it already be cold. Yeah.
Yeah, it became cold already.
Yes, and this also cold, but this
Wow.
inside, it's normal temperature.
Okay, in
Yeah.
here it's normal
Yes.
and here it's very cold.
yes.
So it
This one is summer broken aluminum. You see this aluminum. This
Yeah.
has the insulation rubber.
yes.
Yeah, this one can insulation the cold and the hot. Yes, so
Okay.
this cold, but this is comfortable temperature.
Yes, so this can be inside home.
Yes, this can be
If
inside.
there's winter, outside is very cold.
Yes.
Inside will not pass.
Yes. Very right.
Very nice.
Yes.
Very nice.
And this different color. And this you see, this the profile. Aluminum and the cold one.
Yes.
And
Can you say this again? What did you say?
yeah, this window is summer broken aluminum.
Yes.
And this aluminum, this insulation rubber.
Yes.
This also aluminum, like that one. That cold
Yes.
one.
Interesting.
The same profile.
Same as that black
Yeah, you
one.
see? Yes. And I show you our the window. And this sliding here with the cabinet. Very smooth. You see?
Yeah.
Very smooth. And then we also have the double tempered glass.
Yeah.
This jump. Very strong neck.
Wow. Very
No
strong.
problem. Yes.
Wow.
Very good quality. And this we can do also.
Wow. Very nice.
Yeah, I can jump again. It's jumped again. It's no problem. No broken.
No broken at all.
Yeah, very good quality.
Yeah.
And this are the another is casement.
Okay.
Open window.
Open window.
Yeah, open window.
Okay.
This sliding.
This is a sliding.
Can be locked. You see not open.
Yes. Okay.
I open the lock. Like this. And this we also can do the shutter.
Yeah.
Some country need more safe. So
Okay.
we also can do the shutter.
Very nice.
Yes. And this is this I see. Yeah. This also magnetic, you see.
Yeah. Okay. It goes by itself. Automatic.
Yeah, automatic. And this is the hinge.
Yeah.
Put up. And this one can open.
Yeah.
And this is two-way.
Like this, it can open,
Yes.
and also it can open in different way.
Yeah, in different way. Yeah, you see.
Okay.
This.
Yes.
With that.
Okay. Nice. Very
And
nice.
this our the solid wood.
Solid wood.
Our the wooden door, the outside door also can fix smart lock.
Smart lock and camera.
Yeah, camera and finger, password,
Okay.
and key and card. And you see here, you also can see the battery power.
Okay.
Yes,
So
if
this
you-
is chargeable.
Yes.
You need to charge.
Yeah, need to charge. You see, the inside
Where is the charger?
battery is here, and this is a charger hole. Yeah, this is the charger hole, and you can see the battery power. If have low power,
Yeah.
you can.
Replace it.
Yeah, and if you battery is die, but
Yeah.
you no charge in time, you can use
The key.
use the key. But if you lost your key,
Yeah.
you forget your key.
You cannot open the door.
You can open the door. You see, this emergency charger hole.
Okay.
You can use the
emergency
power bank to charge.
Okay.
Yeah, to charge and then open.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
smart.
Yeah, very good for.
Wah. sug anoo awal ka yaabanaay daaqada oo albaab yani dhaladeeda lagu boodbooday oo gaari la marsiiyey oo maxaa la dhahaa haddana waxaaba la itusaba albaab oo la jaajareynayo loggiisa. logga hala jaajareeyo maxume like haddii lacalla oo jaajarka kaa dhamaado ama furihiina aada haysanin wuxuuba leeyahayba emergency maxaa la jaajar place. So power bankigaaga soo qaadanaysaa, waa jaajar garaysanaysaa, 2 daqiiqo hore albaabkaaga ka furanaysaa. Amazing.
And this our the shutter. For the car.
For the car.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we also have the small one. Can fix in the window.
kan waxaa waaye albaabka oo garaashka waaye, albaabka oo maxaa meesha baabuurka la gelinayo.
This is the profile. Stainless steel.
Stainless steel.
Yes. And this 1 millimeter.
Okay. Toilet.
Toilet glass
Okay.
door. And the aluminium frame. Like this. Different design. And this also.
Nice.
Shower.
Shower one.
Yes, shower.
Wow. Can I get your business card?
Of course, dear.
Yeah, thank you.
This the wooden. Yeah, I show you. This material. This carbon crystal. Both of
Okay.
carbon crystal.
Okay.
It's anti-crash.
Anti-crack. Perfect.
And waterproof, fire resistant. I can show our test video.
Again, another surprise. Yeah. meeshaan waxaa lagu tusayaa albaabkii dab qabsaday laakiin waxna ka dhibeynin. waa albaab dabka wax ka dhibeynin, xagashada wax ka dhibeynin, wax muuqato ku dhacay waxna ma ka dhibayo. It's not catching fire.
Yeah, fire resistant.
Okay.
Yes, and this I show you before the glass. You see, this double temper glass. The car driver.
It's very strong.
Yeah, very strong, but it's no broken.
Wow.
And this also our customer. Yeah. We name is Wonderful Window and Door. He go to our factory. Yeah, he jumped. He very satisfied with our glass quality.
That's very nice.
You see this one? This you see is no up, no downside, and up tree. No tree. Okay.
albaabkan waa design cusub ay dhahday kori hoos wax dhan ma lahan uu iska soconaa uu soo soconaa meel uu ku dhagan yahay ma lahan basically
Yeah. This is open out. This actually.
Hello, namaste. For the windows.
And we're also with some net. You see. It's also
mosquito net
mosquito net, and you can see this one is invisible. We can see the outside very well.
wow yes
Yeah. And also automatic.
it's so invisible
Yeah, so invisible.
wow
And then you can see this one. We have 3 types of mosquito net.
okay this is
Also the folding net. Nilo.
okay Nila very nice
And this one, you see this one?
yeah
This can be open, sliding and open.
both sliding and also opening
Yes, sliding also. 3 things sliding.
wow very nice
This is PT door. PT door is and can sliding and can completely open like this.
wow very nice
You can have more big space. You can
Yes.
use it a big furniture very
very easily
yeah, very easy. And this is another stainless steel net.
okay
This one you can see is very heavy.
yeah
Yeah, always the outside.
yeah bahalaha oo mosquito netka ah kana ugu adagay dhahday sidoo kale stainless steel yacni meel bannaan ah lagu xiran karaa roobka iyo biyaha iyo wax ma ka dhibaayo okay
And the wiring
Stretch.
and wiring, yes.
yeah
Follow your side.
Yeah, need to.
The easy open, easy close.
okay
Just
haddaa u baahan tahay alaabtan insha allah waxaa igala soo xiriiri kartaa nambarkeyga whatsappka videogan haddaa ka heshana like and share and subscribe aada umahadsantihiin asalaamu calaykum